The DEV IoT 6U is an IoT development kit designed and manufactured in the USA by EMAC Inc. It's based on the SOM IMX 6U, an ultra-low-power system on module utilizing the SOM approach. The module is based on the NXP IMX6 ultralight Cortex A7 processor running Linux with an APM sleep mode current draw of 3.5 milliamps, the lowest Linux slow clock power draw in the industry. The module plugs into a 144-pin carrier board that contains all the connectors and the in-out required for an intelligent IoT system. The DEV IoT 6U is comprised of the SOM IMX 6U module and the SOM 112ES carrier board. The SOM IMX 6U is a small embedded system on module that contains the core of a microprocessor system. A SOM is comprised of a microprocessor and memory with CPU, bus accessibility, and standard in-out functionality. The SOM module does not provide any in-out connectorization and is designed to be plugged into a carrier board. The carrier board contains the in-out connectors as well as any other in-out peripheral requirement not provided on the SOM itself. The SOM approach offers reduced risk of end-of-life product obsolescence due to a memory, flash, chipset, or CPU going end of life, as all this functionality is on the SOM. Since the SOM has a standard pinout, it is easy to swap in another SOM into the system should a particular SOM go EOL or your application needs more speed or memory. EMAC offers scalability by offering a range of processor speeds and features using the same form factor and pinout. The SOM IMX 6U module is an industrial, wide temperature, ultra-low power 528 MHz module with 4 GB of eMMC flash, 8 megabits of serial data flash, and 128 megabits of LP DDR2 RAM. The module has a 10/100 base T Ethernet and 5 serial ports. This configuration allows the user to start/continue developing a product while also finalizing a custom product design and features. The SOM 112ES carrier is a compact, low-power SOM carrier/socket board with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity on board and microbus expansion. This versatile SOM carrier/socket board is ideal for evaluation and early development work. This carrier is designed to work with all EMAC 144-pin SODIMM type SOMs. Note, the SOM 112ES is specifically designed for SOMs with APM sleep capability and utilizes GPIO controllable in-out to further reduce sleep current draws. The SOM 112ES provides access to the SOM's in-out through onboard connectors as well as a number of additional in-out expansion blocks such as wireless networking, Ethernet, microbus modules, and HCSD/MMC flash disk. In addition to the GPIO and analog in-out that is provided by the SOM 112 provides 8 lines of multi-in-out. Each multi-in-out line can be individually programmed to be a digital input, a digital output, an analog input, or an analog output. This multi-in-out line capability makes the DEV IoT 6U a very flexible platform. With the DEV IoT 6U, you can help ensure your IoT projects will be successful because EMAC has created this development kit with connectivity in mind. The DEV IoT 6U kit was designed to help bridge the gap between high-power single-board computers and industrial IoT solutions that is commonly required for edge computing. The Internet of Things, IoT, is the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and connectivity. This enables these electronic devices to connect and exchange data autonomously, while creating opportunities for developers to create more direct integration of the physical world into computer-based systems. This automated connectivity results in control efficiency improvements, economic benefits, reduced risks, and reduced human intervention. The DEV IoT 6U is the perfect device for any industrial market that is looking to take advantage of all the benefits the Internet of Things has to offer. Due to the hands-off nature and ease of use, the DEV kit is ideal for the following markets: IoT, IIoT, low-power data acquisition, agriculture, environmental monitoring, data logging, machine data collection, and control systems. Contact our sales team today at 618-529-4525 or at info@emacinc.com and learn how our products make your products better.